Be the change you wish to see in the world. Focus on progress, not perfection. Cherish the present moment, it's a gift. Stay true to your values, they define who you are. Find joy in the journey, not just the destination. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Let go of what you can't control, focus on what you can. Forgive yourself, we all make mistakes. Surround yourself with positivity, it fuels your spirit. Dream big and work hard to make it a reality. Be open-minded, there's always more to learn. Express gratitude for the abundance in your life. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Value experiences over possessions, they hold lasting value. Practice self-care, it's essential for well-being. Choose love over fear in every decision. Believe in your inner strength and resilience. Seek opportunities to spread kindness and compassion. Trust in the timing of your life, everything happens for a reason. Celebrate your uniqueness, it's what sets you apart. Let your passion be your guide in life. Find beauty in simplicity, it brings peace to the soul. Stay humble and treat others with respect. Live with intention, every action matters. Don't let fear hold you back from pursuing your dreams. Take time to rest and recharge, it's necessary for growth. Appreciate the small victories along the way. Be patient with yourself. Growth takes time. Choose your words wisely, they have the power to uplift or hurt. Stay curious and never stop exploring the world around you. If you liked the message of this video, leave your comment, writing which quote you liked the most. There are other messages from other authors that you will certainly like to see and reflect on.